Good morning, everyone. Now your running chapter is quadratic equation. Clear? We solve solution of quadratic equation by the completing the square and nature of roots. Clear? In the last topic, we learned to solve the quadratic equation by the factorization method. This method for the solving quadratic equation is not suited to solve all quadratic equation. Clear? Therefore, we will learn two more methods of solving quadratic equations. Clear? Two more methods. Therefore, we will learn two more methods of solving quadratic equation. Now here is the first one is the completing the square method and second is the quadratic formula. Yes, Sridharacharya formula. Now here first one is the completing the square method. Completing the square method, we use certain step. We use here the certain step. First one is write the given equation in standard form ax square plus bx plus c. कोई भी इक्वेशन होगा फर्स्ट वी राइट इन द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. क्लियर? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now make the coefficient of x square unity by dividing the whole equation by the coefficient of x square. x square टर्म्स को हम यूनिटी में बदलने के लिए जो भी कोफिशिएंट होगा x स्क्वायर का उसी के साथ होल इक्वेशन को हम डिवाइड कर देंगे. क्लियर? नाउ हियर इज टेक इज थर्ड शिफ्ट द कांस्टेंट टर्म्स दैट इज c by a ऑन राइट हैंड साइड. जो c by a कांस्टेंट टर्म्स होंगे वे लेफ्ट राइट हैंड साइड में उसको हम शिफ्ट कर देंगे. नाउ फोर्थ एड स्क्वायर ऑफ द हाफ ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट of x on both sides. Added the square of half of the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x का half we and the square added both sides of the equation. Now square and simplify the RHS. स्क्वायर करेंगे और RHS राइट हैंड साइड्स को सिंप्लीफाई. टेक द स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड. फाइंड द वैल्यूज ऑफ x बाय शिफ्टिंग द कांस्टेंट टर्म्स दैट इज b by 2a ऑन राइट हैंड साइड फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. This completing method we discussed through the example of this. Clear? Through the example we very clearly how to solve the completing square method. Solve the equations is 5x square minus 8x is equal to 4 by completing the square method. Now here the solution here. Clear? Solution given equation 5x square minus 8x is equal to 4. This one first we write this equation in standard form. Clear? We write in standard form. Clear? Write in standard form. What is this? What we get? X square minus 8x minus 4 is equal to 0. This one is a standard form. Find the unity of x square. What we go on dividing the whole equation by 5. When divided by 5, clear, we get we get, now look here, what we first we divide this 5x square by 5 minus 8x by 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 0. This one, so what we get here, x square minus 8x by 5 minus 4 by 5 is equal to 0. Clear? Now coefficient of x square is unity. Clear? Next step, on shifting the constant terms, constant term 4 by 5 on right hand side. Clear? So what we get here, x square minus 8x by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. This one. Clear? On adding, first we make the in a square form. On adding half of coefficient of x. Half of coefficient of x, 5 by 2 x square both sides. We get clear, half of both side. Now this one is right, x square minus 8x by 5 plus 8 by 5 into 2 square and added both sides, 4 by 5 plus 8 by 5 into 2 whole square. So this one is right, 2 4s are 8 and this one 2 4s are 8. Again this one is right, x square 8x by 5 plus 4 by 5 whole square is equal to 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5 whole square. This one is clear? Look this one is the x minus 4 by 5 whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a minus b whole square. We write a square plus b square minus 2ab. Clear? This one. Now remaining part, 4 by 5 plus 4 4s are 16 by 25. This one is clear? Now find x minus 4 by 5 whole square. Here is the LCM, 5 and 25. Let here 25. 5 are 25. 4 into 5 plus 25 divided 25, 1 into 16. Clear? Now x minus 4 by 5 whole square, this one is 20 plus 16 by 25. Clear? So what we get here, x minus 4 by 5 x square, this one is 36 by 25. Clear? On taking a square root of both sides, we get what we get here. Find the square root of both sides. So here is the square root. What we get here, x minus 4 by 5 is equal to under root 36 by 25. This one is clear, the square root. What we write this one is x minus 4 by 5. What is the square root of 36? Is 6, and the square root of 25 is 5. Clear? Find the roots. When taking positive sign, what we get here, x minus 4 by 5 is equal to 6 by 5. What we get here, x is equal to 6 by 5. This one is goes their side is positive form, 4 by 5. X is equal to 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10. Here is x is equal to 2. When take a negative sign, what we get here, x minus 4 by 5 is equal to minus 6 by 5. This one is x is equal to minus 6 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Clear? This one is, as minus sign is greater, so minus, denominator same, 2. Clear? Hence 2 and minus 2 by 5 are the root of given quadratic equation. We take another example to solve the equation. Find the square root of use here the completing square method. Now here is question. Solve the equation is x square minus under root 3 plus 1 whole x plus under root 3 is equal to 0 by the completing the square method. Now here is given that given quadratic equation is, here is given quadratic equation is x square minus under root 3 plus 1 x clear plus under root 3 is equal to 0. This one is already written in the standard form, clear, and x square here is also unity. Look here coefficient of x square is unity, clear. Now we get here, what we get here, let's transfer the constant terms, x square minus under root 3 plus 1 x minus under root 3, clear. On make this in the form of a minus b whole square, so we are adding both sides half of coefficient of x. So on adding under root 3 plus 1 is the coefficient of x by 2, half हो गया, is square, both side we get both side we get, when added both side, so what we get, x square minus under root 3 plus 1 x plus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square, and here minus under root 3 plus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. This portion is clear? Okay. Now see, this one is a minus b whole square. So this one is the right x. This one is the right x minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Clear? And what we get here? This one is the right. Take here the LCM. So what we get, under root 3 plus under root 3 plus 1 whole square by 4. Clear? So this one is the right, x minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this one here LCM is 4. So this one is the right, 1 4 is 4 and 4 into 4 minus under root 3, and this one is the plus, same division 1 is multiplied under root 3 plus 1, same values, under root 3 plus 1 whole square. This one is clear? Now this one is use here, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square. Clear? This one. Now right now x minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Clear? What we get here, minus 4 under root 3, this one, plus break down in a plus b whole square. So write this, under root 3 whole square plus 1 plus 2 under root 3 by 4. Clear? Use here a plus b whole square. Right now a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Now this one is the right here. This one is right here, x minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Clear? So this one is the right, under root 3 whole square plus 1 minus 2 under root 3. Can I write this? Clear? By 4. This one is source. Right now here, x minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this one is right, under root 3 minus 1 by 2 whole square. This one is right now. Clear? Clear? On taking a square root both sides we get x minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to plus minus under root 3 minus 1 by 2. Clear? Take here is the positive sign. Clear? So on take now this one is solve here. This one is right also. X is equal to under root 3 plus 1 by 2, and taking plus minus under root 3 minus 1 by 2. When is taking on taking positive sign, on taking positive sign we get, on taking positive sign we get here, so x is equal to under root 3 plus 1 by 2, and taking positive sign under root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this portion, what we get here, minus 1, 2 under root 3 by 2. So what we get here, under root 3. X is equal to under root 3. Or on taking negative sign, so what we get, x is equal to under root 3 plus 1 by 2, taking here minus sign, under root 3 minus 1 by 2. So this one is here, x is equal to this one is make a positive, 1 plus 1 2, and minus is this one is cancelled. Write this under root 3 plus 1 minus under root 3 plus 1 by 2. This portion is cancelled. 2 by 2 we get 1. Clear? X is equal to 1. Hence under root 3 and 1 are the root of the given quadratic equation. We take other method, solution of a quadratic equation by the quadratic formula, yes, Sridharacharya formula. We use following steps. Here, write the given quadratic equation in standard form. As usual, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Clear? Now take the second step. Find the values of a, b, c by the comparing of the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Put the value of a, b and c in quadratic formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Clear? Now here take the fourth step. Is simplify that. Simplify the expression obtained in step 3. Now here we take an example to clear the quadratic formula. Clear? Now here we get questions example here. Using the quadratic formula, solve the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Let's see that how to solve that. Here is the solution. Here, the given, write this, the given quadratic equation is already in standard form. So we write it as it is. Clear? This one already write in the form of a standard form. 2x square minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. This one is the first exercise complete. Now compare. This equation is comparing the standard equation, quadratic equations. On comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When compare the ax square to 2x square, so a is equal to 2, and now bx is equal to minus 3x, so we get here b is equal to minus 3, and constant c is equal to minus 5. Clear? On putting a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to minus 5, we get, here is the formula is given, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now put the value, x is equal to minus b's value minus 3 plus minus under root b's value is minus 3 whole square minus 4, a's value is given here is 2, and c's value is given here minus 5 by 2 into 2. This one is clear. Now solve that. Minus into minus plus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 whole square, we get here 9, minus into minus plus 4 into 2 8, 8 into 5 40 upon 4. X is equal to 3 plus minus under root 49 by 4. This one is right. X is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 49, 7 by 4. Clear? Now taking positive sign, that here is given, x is equal to 3 plus 7 by 4. This one is right, 10 by 4. Right now 2, 5. So this one is 5 by 2. The x is equal to 5 by 2. And second one, taking negative sign, the x is equal to 3 minus 7 by 4. Minus terms is greater, so get here minus 4 by 4. What we get? Minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Hence the roots of the given equation are 5 by 2 and minus 1. That's all.